It's so important for us to come together once again as a community, as a nation, through yoga, with the Sivananda World Peace Foundation in association with the KwaZulu-Natal South African Police Services KwaZulu-Natal office here in Durban, partnered to host this event. Yoga unites oneself, mind, body and soul, and we felt it so important that we should reach out to the police services, because they go through so much of trauma, especially when they deal with violent crimes in society. Some of them also very emotional when they see people that are being murdered in society. This emotional trauma actually is very bad for one's mind, body and soul, and we felt it very important to partner with the police services, because yoga is for everyone, and we have adopted that attitude that yoga must reach every community, every department in our government and every society. We've seen the effects of yoga in rural communities like KwaMashu, KwaDuguza, Richards Bay, Mpangeni, Matubatuba, Ulundi. As far as Umbumbulu, Gokos benefit so much from Share Yoga, and with the call of yoga across the board globally, we as the Sivananda World Peace Foundation have a duty to perform and to ensure that yoga is free to communities. We do not charge for yoga. Yoga must reach every heart and every nation. And our plea to everyone that are viewing this must be able to sit quietly, even for 5 minutes, regain your strength from within. Yoga is so important, and there's so many breathing techniques.
I really enjoyed it, stretching my body, connecting with the nature, the vibration. It really changed my life and the way I'm thinking.
As you go forward, use yoga as a medium to transform your life. Ultimately, whether you like it or not, you are the master of your own destiny. So use yoga and let it be a tool for you to have a better life, be happy, enjoy the happiness and radiate this happiness amongst everyone.
We want to thank the yoga. It was an experience of the lifetime, and we are grateful for refreshing our mind, soul and bodies. We are hoping to partner with you for the rest of our lives, because it is refreshing. Thank you so much, guys. May God bless you.